Everyone, learn how to change the default PDF viewer in Samsung phone or any other phone. So to do that, we need to go to My Files. You will find under Samsung folder, you will find My Files, and you just need to open the My File. So you want a different app to open the PDF file. You just need to just go to Docs first and look for any PDF file. So I have found one PDF. I'll just press and hold for 2 seconds and it will ask you will at the bottom, you will get a lot of options, copy, share, and more. So we will click on more and then click on open with. Now, the reason we clicked on open with is because we need to change the default PDF opener. So I'll select any of the app and I'll select always. Now from next time, it will always open the desired file, PDF opener or user. So this is how you can change the default PDF viewer in Samsung phones or any other phone. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.